So I was shooting at the range the other day and a random idea popped into my head. Remember the old game called Battleship we played as kids? What if we did the same thing with our rifles instead? I grabbed my buddy Cody and challenged him to the occasion since we both have similar rifle setups that are perfect for this. A little measuring and some crafty motivation, we started by painting our ocean color down first and then sprayed a quick grid down 3 by 3 inches.
Make sure not to buy that paint again.
The fuck is this, dude?
The ships were placed secretly and strategically without the other knowing throughout the week in hopes that the red would show on each impact.
Cody thinks that I'll put it on the head, and I expect that, so I'm gonna put the 2 ship down the very bottom.
So how you think?
Paper.
How you think you're gonna do against me?
Well, I just want to let you know, I'm always here for you, even if you need a shoulder to cry on.
So here's the thing. I ordered Cody off Amazon when he was 5 months old. It took him about 5 days to get here, but I've raised him since he was a kid, so how the fuck is he gonna beat me?
Alright, so Mark and I have a little project going on. We're going to be playing a game of Battleship, but with our ARs. Here's the board. Got it. There she be, people. See you in a minute. So Mark, how do you feel going up against the best of the best?
Best of the best? I don't know, dude. You've gotten really good over the years. So I think anybody can win this.
So I think Mark has a pretty good chance, but I got a pretty good strategy where I hit my ships. And if I know his aiming, it's gonna take a couple shots before he hits one of my ships. So Mark, you said you're part of the Army? What does Army stand for? Aren't ready for Marines yet?
Finally, we added a fresh blue layer at the end, just like the original game, so that we have no idea where the other placed their ships.
Closer.
We set the targets out at roughly 120 yards with heavy wind and junk ammo to make it challenging, and agreed to call out fair hits and announce who sank all 3 of their opponent's ships first to declare a winner of our Battleship DMR edition. This ended up being some pretty terrible shooting from both of us, which turned out to be pretty hilarious. Since neither of us wanted to lose, there is strong language, so fair warning. You going first or second? Alright.
On the right?
Yep, the right was mine.
Alright, going hot.
Yeah, I see where you hit. You hit right below that little dot. That is a hit.
That was a hit?
Yep. It was the left side.
Nope.
That miss. It was a miss.
Right to the right of it.
What? You went to the left. That's a miss.
Yeah, other side of the dot.
Yep. I know. I can see it.
Yes. Okay, that was low.
Miss. It was a miss.
Where are we counting that at?
In the right. I was left. 4th one down.
That was a hit.
It was?
Yeah.
Alright.
My turn.
Yeah! Got a hit. You shoot
That was above the first one. Right at the head.
That's a hit.
Hit?
My
Did I
turn.
sink it?
Alright.
Did I sink it?
What?
Did I sink it?
Nope.
That's a hit.
I see.
Far right. 3rd down.
Miss.
Yeah, I didn't mean to hit that.
Fuck. One that already hit.
Ah, sucker.
God damn it. It says shit Tula. You're shooting the good shitter. Where's that?
That was 2nd to last, 3rd. That's
3rd down in the 2nd row. Miss.
alright. What is that?
Same one already hit, dude. This thing's left. It's the wind.
Yeah. That was right below my first one that hit your ship. So I got 1 in the head and then 2 down.
That was a miss, too.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, there's fun that fish can be then.
Dude, it went left again.
I got a bug fucking with my ass crack.
miss.
No, that was a hit, but it was a hit in the same spot.
My turn. That was a miss. All right. You hit the same square again, I think.
I don't think I hit shit.
On a line, which is a miss.
I didn't hit shit. Bottom?
I think so. Yep.
Yeah, nothing.
Fuck, that's center.
I don't do that. I was trying to aim for the right.
Doesn't matter. It's a miss.
Well, if you hit the center line,
Yeah, because I'm gonna count which grid it's in.
which grid is it in?
The left. Or yeah, you hit into the left. Ready?
That's fucking dead center.
Ready?
That's actually to the right.
Then it counts as that grid, which is a miss.
How? That shiv's only got 3. That shit has to be 3 fucking spots.
Oh, I see in the top. Yeah, I don't know. That's dead on the line, dude. What do you think?
Well, look how wide the head is. Is it more to the right?
Is it?
Yeah. That'd be a fucking sink right there, bro.
I don't know because the camera. We have to see the footage.
Oh, whatever. That was a sink.
I don't know. We'll count it as a line, and maybe you're ahead. My turn. Dude, my scope's fucked up. I keep hitting.
That bag of excuses is deep, Mark. Let's
I know.
go.
Ready?
Nope.
Where did that hit?
To the right.
On the right half?
Yep.
Alright. Where is that?
Third from the bottom.
Miss.
Where's that?
Top left shoulder.
That's a hit.
Yes. Alright.
Left shoulder. Not that little corner, but right below that little corner.
Miss.
Miss.
Yep.
Ah, that's dirt, bro.
Alright, go ahead. Dude, my scope's left the whole time.
Really?
Yeah.
Left of the line. See it?
Yep, miss. What is going on?
That was a hit, wasn't it?
No. Where is that? Oh, that was a hit.
That was the very bottom.
That was a
square,
hit.
Very bottom left.
That was a hit.
Hit?
Yep.
Okay.
God damn
I
it,
skimmed
dude.
some dirt on that one. Where'd you hit?
Right on the left side and that second one down.
Nope.
It's not a hit.
Nope.
Alright.
3 over to the right.
That's a miss.
2 up.
It's a miss.
Alright. I was trying to aim for that other bottom one next to it, but I missed it.
Yep. Alright, here goes. I hit in the second from the right on the shoulder line.
Well, I don't know, man. That's right in the center line. I don't know if I can
I'll do
count
it again.
that.
It's alright, I'll do it again.
Well, I mean, do we want to count mine or we want to count that one?
I can't see it. Yours is dead on the line. I'll just do it again. Neither count.
I think I hit that bottom square to the right.
The very right or the middle right?
Well, how the very bottom has those 2 squares on the very bottom?
Yeah.
I got both of those now.
If you hit it, you hit and you sunk. By
Okay.
2. Alright, hold on.
You just got my shit buried in the dirt.
Left throat, chin.
Nothing.
Alright. Where's that?
So 2 in and 2 down from the shoulder.
2. Miss.
Where's that?
One already hit. Go ahead. Dude, this thing is way off. This ammo sucks.
Sure it's ammo. Oh, I missed.
Alright,
Fucking hit dirt.
ready?
Where's that?
Same fucking chest there, or a miss, I think. Go ahead. God damn it. Where was that?
That should be that slot where oh no, that's center top. Then on the line again.
Oh, it'd be a miss then. Here we go.
Where's that?
Center line again in that same box I'm trying to get. God damn it. Fucking dude. 5 in the same. Live.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
God damn it. Left fucking square again. Where was that?
I think in the same box I've already hit.
Alright, hold on. 2 down from the shoulder and then 2 right. Left side of the center.
I think you already got that slot.
Oh, okay. Was it a hit?
Yeah.
Alright. Miss.
Alright.
So do I sink any of yours yet?
Yeah.
Which one?
The one on top left.
You
shoulder.
motherfucker, I've been shooting at forever.
Well, why are you shooting at?
All right, here we go. I don't know. Did I hit anything?
Yeah.
What?
You got a hit.
Where was it?
Top right shoulder, or like right top
All right.
right shoulder.
All right, go ahead. Where's that?
Left bottom. No.
You sunk by 2 at the bottom.
Yeah, I got it. Go up that one and over 2.
Yep, that's a hit. To the left 2 or right 2?
Well, from the left,
Yep.
go over 3.
Yeah, it's a miss.
What? Where's that?
I have no fucking clue, dude.
Line?
It's to the right of the line. Whoa, is that the one I sunk already?
No.
Left side?
Left.
That was a hit.
Alright.
That was throat, right side?
Nope. Far right, 3 down for the shoulder.
That's a miss. Alright, going for face. Dude, I'm hitting throat.
Miss. Same spot, I think I already hit one.
Alright, so you technically haven't sunk the second one, but
I sunk one.
yeah, the bottom 2.
That's all you destroyed of mine is one.
What? A miss. A miss. Alright, here we go. What?
Far right, 3 down from the shoulder.
Yeah, miss.
Yeah, I hit that spot again.
Chin again! You didn't hit, so
I did hit. No, we're only doing 30.
we're gonna keep going till we sink. Here goes. I'm going for face.
Miss.
Line.
How you still have ammo?
I put more in.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
How'd you put more in?
Dude, Nate, my shit is way off, dude. Where's this shit ass ammo? Fucking suck.
No wonder where they're on sale.
I thought I was just gonna go right into the money on each grid. Now I'm fucked. Your turn?
Yep.
Where's that?
Right in the center line.
It's another miss.
Alright. Everything I hit is a miss. I don't know how you got so many.
Because you're hitting the same
I
ones.
don't know how you got so many ships on there.
You'll see. You'll see where they're at. Alright, and try to hit that face again. Left side of the face.
Miss.
So there's nothing in the fucking face. I only sunk one of yours.
Yeah.
Miss.
Yeah. It seems like it's going to the left. You know what I mean?
That's a well, wind too. Wind's blowing that way. Fuck, dude, I don't even know. Center line again. Where's that?
3 down from the shoulder and over 2.
Nope. 3 up from the bottom, but on the right of the center line.
Nope.
Where's that? That was a hit.
Alright.
That was 2 up from the right. It was a miss. Go ahead. This one I already shot. God damn it. Miss.
What?
Obviously.
No.
It's a miss. Dude, that was one of the ones I already hit again.
It can't be a miss.
It is.
If it's a 3, I've already shot one that's 2 on that. One that hit, and I've already shot over to the right of that one.
Yeah, it's a miss.
It could only be a 3.
Yeah, it is a 3 ship, but you missed it. It's my turn, hold on.
No, it's my turn. You already win.
Dude, I can't hit shit with this thing.
Dirt.
Nope. Dude, I know where his are, I just can't hit him.
See, I told you you'd sneak in a peek.
No, I'm saying now. You ready? Dude, I cannot hit that fucking square! Go. Where's that?
Spot I already hit. That's not a
Alright.
ship,
Alright.
supposedly.
Alright. Alright, so that's 3 up from the bottom, but on the left side of the line.
No.
Alright. Where's that?
The square I already fucking hit.
Alright. My turn. So that, what?
Hit.
Alright. What was that?
Probably a square I already fucking hit.
Alright, here we go.
Dude, that motherfucker has to be something.
Alright, So that was from the right shoulder, 2 down.
Your right or my right?
Or both of our right.
2 down?
Yep, 1, 2, 3 from the shoulder.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of on the line, but I'll let you have it.
It's below the line, I promise. Is that a sink or a hit?
That'd be a sink.
Yes! So what do I got? 2 of your 3s?
You got 1, 2.
A 2 and a... Alright.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I wish you had a scope. You should write your scope down.
Nope, that's not a sink. Sorry,
Alright.
false alarm, not a sink.
So I only have your 2 sunk and that's it?
Yeah.
Dude!
How would you guys hit like every spot on the fucking
No, because I keep whiffing.
Yeah, dude, it sucks. I've hit like every square on the target, but so is supposedly not sink.
He has not. Wait till you see the footage later when I edit it. Alright.
That's far left, huh?
No, I'm just saying you whiffed in the dirt.
Dude, because the wind pushing it.
God damn it, I hit the same box. Go ahead. Alright.
Yes.
How?
Shut up, my turn.
Dude, oh.
God damn it. You hit the same square.
Nope.
Where was it?
Far right, 2 down.
Miss. God damn it! Where's that?
I think it was far right, 3 down.
Here we go.
Hey, far right, 3 down.
Miss.
Fuck you.
Alright, so that was the 3 down on the right, or 4 down on the right.
Sink.
Yes!
I guarantee I've already sunk another one of the ships.
Wait till he sees the footage.
Footage? You can look at the fucking grid, dude. You only have like a 1 grid here, 1 grid there. I haven't hit.
Alright.
I think you need to get your eyeballs checked.
Oh my god, what?
You need to get your eyes checked. There's like 2
This
boxes.
fucking shit ass ammo.
There's like 2 boxes I haven't hit. I haven't sunk one yet. Fucking, you got 2 of the ships fucking each other. That's what happened. Bunch of bullshit.
Whose turn is it?
Mine, no motherfucker.
It's an old box.
2 down and 2 to the right.
Miss. God damn it. Miss again, or a same hit.
What? How the fuck did I miss?
Alright, hold on.
Am I missing those?
Yep.
How, dude? I'm aiming at the fucking
I
top.
don't know. Ready? I'm aiming for them 2 bottom left ones. Alright, go ahead.
No idea.
So that was 2 up from the bottom, but on the left side of the line.
2 up from the bottom of the left side line.
Yep.
Next line.
Your battleship was sunk.
2 up from the bottom. So 1, then 2, boom, it hits in the top of the box right there. Left side of the center line.
Well, if that's the case, then you sunk it.
Alright, so didn't I sink all yours yet?
I think so.
Is there one in the bottom left box? The very bottom?
No.
Is there one in the top right face?
No.
Then I might have won.
Hold on. No, you still got 1 more box you haven't hit.
Yeah, the bottom left. The very bottom left one.
You mean like very, very bottom?
Yeah.
No.
I hit the one above that one.
To the left?
No, from this on the left side of the center, the second one up, I hit the top of that box.
Yeah. But what about to the left of that one?
Yeah, I hit that one earlier.
Okay. Then yeah, you sunk it.
Oh, is that it? So the
That'd
top
be
right face does not have one, and the bottom left does not have one.
No.
You know where my last one is you missed?
Where?
Can you guess out there?
Probably that one that's 2 down from the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit that.
Dude, I just came back from way behind lead Nate and beat him with that last hit.
No, dude, we still gotta go evaluate these fucking targets.
Well, let's shoot these bitches
this up real quick. Finish up ammo.
No, because we just get the game's done. We gotta go look at the targets.
All right. All right, weapons unsafe. Here, just eject.
Pull the mags out. Eject them.
Oh,
I have one more bullet left.
so that's all I had too. Let's go inspect.
Oh, yeah. No, we don't want to shoot them up.
Let's go. How'd I come back from the lead, dude?
By the grace of God.
Why couldn't you just finish me off?
This is wind.
Win?
Yep.
Did you let me win? Yeah, I hit the top of it right here.
That's on the line.
No, look. Bingo, son. Bingo.
You're telling me.
Can you get that? See that? Right there. This. Yep, you sunk this.
Look how far over that.
I gave it to you.
If that line was right here, where it should be.
It wasn't. I gave
With somebody's painting skills.
I gave you a sink.
Someone does
Did
not
you even
center.
hit this?
Yeah,
Where?
right there. Look at the paint
Here.
score. Yep.
Where?
Look how he buries my shit behind objects.
All right, well, say you got it. He still lost right here. Show me yours.
Okay, now I'll punch it up real quick.
Little cheating ass mother.
How's that cheap?
Hit.
Yeah, look how lucky that is.
Hit.
Look how lucky that one is.
I still won.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. All right.
That's not.
All right. That's it, ladies.
Yeah, but look how many actual ones I have in the center of the boxes compared to
All you had to do is hit that one.
compared to this messy slop we got going.
Dude, that
on
was
here.
stupid, the wind and that shit ass ammo.
Look how clean these lines are and how centered they are compared to this
Whatever, dude, I kept hitting the
This-
center line
this
the whole
cross-
fucking time because the wind.
this tilted angle slant. Look, if that line was right there where it should have been, center, I was a hit.
He's like, where's my other ship? I sunk it. I'm like, dude, you didn't. Look. It's just because I placed my fucking ships so ill. You know what I mean? Best places ever.
Bullshit.
Yeah, I got in your head last night when I painted these.
Look how many times you gotta hit the board just to hit the ship.
I already knew where you were going to shoot, dude, so I knew where to put the ships. I read you like a book. It was like a kid's novel. All right, let me grab my winning target real quick. Thanks, Cody. Appreciate it. My souvenir. I'm gonna hang this in the garage, I think, as like a trophy. Oh.
I'll let him have it. I don't want to have to hear him whine living with him.
Hey, Cody, just go ahead and put that back in the car. Hey, what are you making me for dinner?